Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off portrait mode on Snapchat app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. What the portrait mode exactly is. You can enable portrait mode on Snapchat, and that allows you to highlight the main object and blur the background. You can easily enable this mode. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So once you are on a Snapchat, you can select main camera or frontal camera, it doesn't matter. Then just hit right here at that plus sign, and it gives you different camera settings. You can just scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find that focus option. It says that this highlights the subject of your snap, so actually the person. You can't use this feature with objects because it will look for a face on your camera. So just hit at focus, and as you can see, focus is on. You can identify it by that highlighted icon, and now you can take a snap, and if this icon is highlighted, the snap will be taken with the highlighted main object and the blurred background. In any time you can disable this feature. Just hit right here at that icon again to turn portrait mode off. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.